This episode has been brought to you by your friendly random Asian.
What's up, dudes?
Oh, I'm so not ready for this. So today, we're gonna take the WRX apart, because if you can see in the back, there's all parts that I have saved up for the WRX, and we're gonna install all of them eventually. But no, we're gonna start taking it apart because a lot of the systems are interconnecting. So we're just gonna start disassembling the vehicle, and then we're gonna start installing components and you know, the things.
I'm really curious as to how the hell this happened. That's a new development, but oh well, we'll probably just cut it out anyways. Next, we're on to the radiator. Alright, and we ended up just pulling it all out in one piece because
Why not?
it was way easier. Alright, now we got this wonderful Mishimoto kit still in the wrapper. We're going to stick that in there.
Oh yeah.
straddle the neck. Don't want the little neck to break.
So that's our overflow tank from Cobb. Pretty easy to install, and or assemble, I should say. It's pretty easy to assemble, and we're about to toss this bad boy in.
Yep.
Only digital.
You heard the man. It's like a selfie, only digital. So,
introduce yourself.
What's up, YouTube? I'm the friendly Asian dude.
that's Billy. Demonetized instantly. No.
So yeah, we got the Mishimoto in, and we got the coolant tank in. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it for this episode. Next, I think we're gonna do intercooler.
Intercooler. That is.
Are we supposed to have extra parts?
No.
Always. You're always supposed to have extra parts. But no, we're going to do intercooler, and then I think we'll do like most of that, and then we'll start the air oil separator as well, because they kind of take place in the same area. So we'll get like the front mount actually installed and most of the piping, but then we'll do the engine stuff on its own without the piping in the way. You'll see. We'll play it by ear. Well, I don't know how this is gonna go. We're making it up. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time.